I am nothing. I am nothing. You got something coming. Something coming. Because I hear God's whisper calling my neighbor. It's in the ether. I am the Savior. Yeah.
Make sure you get involved in school activities, whether it's clubs, athletics, or rigorous courses.
Homecoming is coming up this October, so make sure you guys participate in all Spirit Week activities, and also don't forget to attend homecoming because it will be a blast.
Hey guys, so don't forget to support all the school sports by going to all the games. First football game is against Marina, and most games are themed, so they're all super fun.
Dances are a great way to meet new people or just turn up with your friends and boogie down on the dance floor, so don't forget to get your tickets at all the one-day sales.
Yeah. Show your brave. Yeah.
Make sure you dress up for Spirit Days and get hyped for the rallies, especially during classy hours.
On a mission.
Okay, so a tip for all you freshmen, I would say, is keep a lookout for all the big posters in the Commons, because that usually tells you what the Spirit Weeks are and just all the updates for the week.
Hey guys, look out for any international events going on around campus and make sure to come out to International Week this year.
Make sure to keep an eye out for video announcements every Friday for dances, football games, sport updates, and more.
I am the Savior.
Hey guys, remember to come and cheer for our football, volleyball, basketball, and water polo games. And remember, life is better when you're spirited.
Hey guys, just make sure you participate in lunchtime activities.
Make sure to always lend a helping hand and also join clubs that offer community service hours.
Hey Seahawks, make sure you come out every Friday on the upper patio. We'll be playing music and it's just a good time, so come out and support.
Hey Seahawks, don't forget to sign up for a club where you'll meet new people and make lifelong friends. This will look good in your college applications, so come out to Club Rush. See you there.
Blue Ribbon Week is anti-bullying week, so make sure you stop by the compliment wall and make someone's day.